On concept number 3. Concept number 3 is the least number which when divided by x, y and z leaves the remainder a, b and c respectively is given by LCM of x, y, z minus k, where k is x minus a equal to y minus b and z minus c. We are going to see the example. Find the least number which when divided by 24, 32 and 36 leaves the remainder 19, 27 and 31 respectively. To find k, we have to subtract 19 from 24, 27 from 32 and 31 from 36. What do we get? We get 5. Now we are going to take LCM of 24, 32 and 36. Here is the rough example. 24, 32 and 36. On calculator we get HCF equal to 24 and LCM equal to 288. Hence the least number is LCM minus k. LCM we get 288 and k equal to 5. 288 minus 5 equal to 283. On verifying this, we get to know that this is the correct answer. Verified in such a way that 283 divided by 24, we get remainder 19. Here we can see when we divide the number, we get 19 as remainder. Here is so it is the correct answer. Now example number 4, the least number of which when divided by 24, 30 and 54 leaves 5 as remainder in each case. Solution: given k equal to 5, which is given already. Now we are going to take the LCM of given numbers 24, 30 and 54. We get it 1080. Clearly 1080 is divisible by 24, 30 and 54 as it is the LCM of 24, 30 and 54. As the required number gives 5 as remainder when divided by these numbers, we need to add 5 as to the LCM what we get just before 1080. On adding 1080 plus 5, we get 1085 is the required number. Thank you.